Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I'm going to be honest with you, I've already been into these. The original video got messed up, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again because I want to share these knives with you. Now, by the time you guys are seeing this, right, I've likely tried to time this so that these are available. Not really sure though. It's kind of weird with releases and stuff. So if they are available, I will link them right down in the description so that you guys can check them out. Thanks so much to we/Civivi for sending these in for me to take a look at. Very cool. This is just an unboxing and first impressions, not actually a review. You'll get those down the road. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below as well. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's start off with this one here. This is a Civivi, so one of the less expensive ones. And yeah, we have the Synergy 3 Black G10. And then I think, oh wait, it says on the box. Here you go. Let me give you a look at it. You guys remember the Wii Synergy, right? Nitro V blade. That's pretty cool. I remember the Wii Synergy being, of course, titanium, and I'm sure it was 20 CV. Maybe it was S35VN. So what we have here is a liner lock version of this. I do like the G10. The texturing is sort of the spiral pattern around the pivot, right? And then the actual, I mean, that's functional texturing. I really like that texturing. The blade, very nice tumbled finish on that blade. I really wish Civivi would just do all of their knives in this exact finish because it looks great. That is a very, it's like a modified Persian Tanto. It's at the point now where I'm just making things up when I try to classify these weird these non-traditional blade shapes, right? Or non-traditional to me, right? But yeah, nice and thin in true Civivi fashion. The other nice thing here is that we have a radiused spine, which is pretty cool. I'm going to guess that this is, you know, it's not going to be as expensive as a Wii. It's not going to be quite as expensive as a Civivi, but it's also kind of, I bet you anything, it's between Civivi and Civivi. What do we call that? Down in the comments section. What's the odd fourth price tier? If we do an A, B, C, D kind of thing. A being Wii, B being Civivi, C being whatever this is, and D being Civivi. So there you go. But this does look interesting. I just have no idea what it's going to be priced at. You got to remember, I'm filming this likely weeks in the past. Moving on here, what do we have? This next one, oh yeah, that's right. This is an Odium, and then I believe it's just a variant on it. The Odium is definitely one of Civivi's best knives. So in this case, we have what apparently is a new micarta version of this. So we've got a D2 blade micarta. This is just a really good, if you like smaller knives, but you're like me, and it still has to be like, I still have to be able to get a full purchase on it if I want to. The Odium has a super roomy forward choil for being such a tiny knife. And then a really nice handle. I mean, because of the contouring of the scales, it actually feels really good in hand. It doesn't feel, I don't know. On some tiny knives, it makes me feel like I'm holding a Lego. It just doesn't feel ergonomic or comfortable in any way. But that's not the case with the Odium. This is obviously a Ferrum Forged design, mainly because you saw the logo, but also because that's pretty Ferrum Forgy, right? So, pretty nice little knife. I would imagine that this is actually pretty inexpensive. And then the final one, which I was shocked and then also not shocked to see, what we have is a titanium Elementum, a Wii Elementum titanium frame lock. Did we need this? No. Will people purchase it and enjoy it? Yes. The Elementum is certainly one of, as far as the combined companies, Civivi and Wii, it's definitely one of, if not their most popular model. It's got to be at least one of, right? So while it kind of caught me by surprise, on second thought, it's like it was inevitable that at some point that they would do this. And this is nice. I wish that they had given it a special clip. This is going to be on, here, I'll try. I'm sure it's titanium. Yeah, it's titanium. But I wish they had given it a special clip. That would have been, it would have been really cool. Outside of that, it has typical Wii fit and finish. It does still feel like, it just feels like the Elementum, right? But instead of whatever the original steel was, we have, what does it say? Surely it says on the, where's the top of the box? Here it is. Yeah, CPM 20 CV. So we have a titanium and CPM 20 CV Elementum. I do like the bronze standoffs. I'm sure that this will be it'll come in multiple flavors, multiple finishes and things like that. But on the black version here, I do like the bronze standoffs, that tiny little accent. They didn't do it anywhere else with the standoffs. Kind of cool, right? Yeah, it's interesting. Some different variants of things here. But yeah, if this stuff is available, it will be linked right down in the description. These will absolutely be getting, at least this guy and this guy will be getting reviews. I've reviewed the Odium. I don't know if I really need to do a video on the micarta one because it looks unchanged outside of that. But the titanium Elementum and the Synergy through Civivi will absolutely be getting full comprehensive reviews a few weeks from now. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex. So go right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.